Hi, Lakewood friends. Jeff here from the Sustainability Department. Did you know that lighting accounts for about 10% of your total electricity use if you're still using incandescent bulbs at home? That's about 800 kilowatt hours or almost $100 a year. Make the switch to LED bulbs and you could lower your annual electricity bill by up to $90. We're happy to help you kickstart or continue our energy conservation journey with a free specialty LED kit courtesy of our Partners in Energy program with Excel Energy. Check out these awesome kits. They contain 15 various LEDs ranging from dimmable lights to candelabras to plug-in night lights. There's a product guide that's really handy. It takes you through the best usage and expected savings for each type of light. To sign up for a free kit, head over to lakewood.org/Earth Day and click on Free Earth Day giveaways. Each kit also contains information on Excel's Home Energy Squad program, which I'll talk about in a minute, efficiency rebates, and utility assistance for income qualified households. As you're switching out your old bulbs, the safest and most responsible way to get rid of them is to bring them to your local hardware store like Ace or Home Depot or Batteries Plus and drop them in the bulb recycling boxes there. Remember, before you head out, give them a call to make sure they're still accepting bulbs for recycling right now. And if you're ready to make your home more efficient, consider signing up for Excel's Home Energy Squad program. Virtual visits are only $25 right now, and using your own smart device, you'll guide a technician through your house, and they will help you identify opportunities for efficiency improvements. Afterwards, you'll get a free customized kit of energy-saving items delivered straight to your door for DIY installation. If you're comfortable with an in-home visit, for $50, a technician will do all the work for you. They'll swap out your old bulbs for LEDs, install a programmable thermostat, put in weather stripping if they find any drafty doors, and install water-efficient shower heads and faucet aerators. It's a great deal. To sign up or get more information, visit excelenergy.com/homeenergysquad. And as always, you can visit our website at lakewood.org/sustainability for more resources on ways to incorporate sustainability in your home. Thanks, and have a great Earth Day, everyone.